this lesson, I'd like to look at how we can control for our users the reply to and forward text that is used inside the email area. And you can see here that I'm currently logged on as a user called Susan May, and I'm looking at an existing email within the system. Now this is a feature that applies equally to either emails that have been stored within the system or emails that have been sent from the system. And you can see here that I've got an option to be able to perhaps reply to everyone, or in this case to send this on to other colleagues within the system. So I can hit the forward and we can see that I've now got a new screen appear that allows me to send this email to other people within inside the team. And you'll also notice that down below we've got the details from the previous email that has been included. Now I've merged in information, additional information about that email. I've got the from information, when it was sent, who it was originally sent to, as well as the subject and CC fields. But this can be extended. We can include other information into this record as well if we wanted to, and this is what I want to have a look at now, how we can change and understand where this is controlled by. So if we cancel from that screen, I'm going to go now to the system administration screen, and you can see I've logged on as a system administrator, and I'm going to go to the customization area, not to the email area. So I am going into customization, and what I want to have a look at is first of all to remind ourselves of the range of fields that there exist within inside the communication table. So if you look at the list of fields, these are all fields that we might be interested in identifying, and if they are populated, then we can reference these when we forward an email communication on into the system. And so if we go to our communication customization screen again, the next thing that I'm going to look at is the translation area. And what you see in here, or what we will see in a moment, is the way in which we can enter in email as captioned family, and then for the caption code it's either going to be reply or it's going to be forward. So I'll look first of all at the idea of the reply text, and we can see that this is returning back the reply to including the subject and the template, and you've got as well here the difference between the template that is for HTML and plain text. And you can see the fact that we've got the original message, which was the item that was used within the text below when we responded to the email. And if I change this to look for the forward, and find that, we can examine any of these to allow us to then change the HTML that's being used, or as we can see within the translation we can add in additional information that we might want to include inside the template. So here, for example, I could alter the translation, the way that's being utilized. So let me add in another note, another field, and here I'll put status, and I'll choose save. You can see that you're changing it for each language and that is used within the system. And now as the user looks at an email, and decides to forward this, and I had changed the forward template HTML version because I'm working with HTML emails. That's what it's been configured as. We can see that this has been forwarded on, and we now have that additional information from the communication that has been inserted into the forward email template. And we can see that this could be used as part of the response if we are replying within the product to reply back about that particular previously sent email. We can format our responses in any way that we need. That then is how we are able to control, using translations, either the forward text, forward translations, or the reply